Welcome back to Reef and Pond Wise. Today is the first day of spring, another great day in the hobby. I had some questions about my lighting schedule. So today's video is the lighting schedule for my Kessil A360Xs. Back in 2019 when they first came out, I believe I was one of the very first to get this light. Now this light runs from 10 o'clock in the morning until 10 o'clock at night. So I want you guys to keep in mind there's a 3, 3, and 3, which is a 3-hour, 3-hour, 3-hour setting for these lights. Now they come on at 10 o'clock in the morning and I'll turn them on 20% to get everything waking up, and that will be left on for a half an hour. After a half an hour, I will turn the lights up. Now this is intensity wise. I'll turn the lights up to 50% and run them for another hour. After that is where the 3, 3, and 3-hour increments come into play. So after that initial hour and a half, I will turn the lights up to 30% whites, and which is on the Kessil color, and then I will turn the intensity up to 75%, and that will run for 3 hours. After 3 hours, I will turn the intensity up to 80%, and I will leave that on for 3 hours. After that 3 hours, I will turn the intensity back to 75% and start ramping down. So at that point in time, it's a 10.5-hour span right there. And then there's another hour for ramp down, which I'll turn these lights down. The color will go to 0, the intensity will go to 50%, and then after an hour, I will turn them down to 25% and then lights out. So I found the sweet spot for the Kessil A360s. All of my coral do wonderful with that lighting schedule. As I said, this is a mixed reef tank with everything from SPS, including acros, my LPS, which includes Favias. I've got just a gonopore. I mean, you name it, it's probably in here. So when you factor in the softies, typically being at the bottom of the tank, and the LPS being in the middle of the tank, and the SPS being at the top of the tank, this Kessil light is absolutely amazing. Now guys, I've been in this hobby for a long time, and I have had experience with metal halides, T5s, I've had radions, I've had Mars, LEDs, I've had the China black boxes, I've had Current USA, I've got a number of reef tanks, and I will tell you that Kessil lights, especially these A360Xs, are the best. And I would encourage anybody who is just now getting into the hobby, you beginners or novice reef keepers, save your money, buy your lights once, look at the Kessil compared to the other lighting on the market, and you will find, like I did, that is worth saving up some money to begin and start with the right lighting, because you won't be sorry. Your coral will love you for it. I even notice a difference in my fish. My fish, I believe, are better off under this lighting than other lighting that I've had in the past. And not to mention, and by the way, guys, I don't get paid by Kessil to promote a product. What I'm saying to you as a reef keeper for many, many years and having all kinds of different lights is that Kessil is the best. And one of the things that I love about Kessil is the shimmer. I love the fact that they grow coral, and I love the fact that they're bulletproof. You can't really mess things up. There's a component in their light called Kessil Logic, and I would encourage anybody who sees this video to go check that out and see what that technology brings to the table. So guys, if you liked this video or you found anything that was helpful, subscribe to my channel. It helps me out. Ring the bell so that you know when I upload videos. I'll be uploading 2 to 3 videos every week, and they're all related to reef and pond keeping. So remember guys, anybody can build a reef tank, but it takes somebody special to keep one. And that someone special is you.